Hello everyone, welcome to Nyans. Today we are looking about how to post our expense entries. Suppose your employees submit their expenses like travel expenses and many types of expenses there may be, like they have visited some client, there is like food expense, travel expense, hotel and accommodation expense. These types of expenses your employees maybe claim. So after their claim, their manager will approve that, and after the submission of approval from their manager, it will comes to accounts department for settlement of the payment actually. So I will show you how an accounts person can see their expense and work on to this. So in accounting section, under the vendor, you can see employee expenses. I will click over there. So these are all the posted for all to pay. I have when you click over an employee's expense, it will give you a filter of this. So you can see there is a status approved, but they are not like settlement of them. Okay. So there is all your expenses submitted by employees. You can see these are in different status, like reviewed, draft, submitted, approved, submitted, approved, right? So if I need to check which I have to settlement, approved. So approved one, I will need to post these entries. So I just click approval, post entry. I will post this in expense. So these are posted in the expense section. You can see, and I will mark as pay. I will pay from my bank. Check, these are the amount. Just click on create payment. So the payment is posted. So if you want to see again the expense section, there is only two approved one, their payment is still pending. So in the same way you can post this entry in your system as well. Thanks for the watching. You can like this video and subscribe my channel.